A common call we get in tech support is, where is the TXV on this unit? How is the refrigerant metered into the coil? The answer? Accutrols. Accutrols are pistons that are inserted in the tubing coming off the header going into the coil. Most older units had dimples on either side of the location of the piston. A lot of the newer models have a stamp to show the location of the piston. Unlike residential pistons that move back and forth between heating and cooling mode, these pistons are impressed into the tubing and are stationary and do not move. Because these pistons are stationary and do not move, also in the refrigerant line there are check valves and strainers to direct the flow of refrigerant between the cooling mode and the heating mode. In this refrigerant flow diagram, we're looking at the cooling cycle, and you'll notice that the Accutrols are pictured here at the entrance to the coils. Also in this diagram, you have the check valves, A, B, C, and D, and it designates that which one is open and closed in the cooling mode. Also note that you have strainers before the Accutrols to keep debris and contaminants from going into the Accutrols. In this refrigerant flow diagram, we are in the heating mode, and you will note that the Accutrols at the indoor coil are being bypassed, and we are metering through the Accutrols on the outdoor coil. What are the most common problems that we see with Accutrols? First, the system suffers a compressor failure. Contaminants, sludge, acids are caught in the strainers. A compressor is replaced and started up, and because of the debris caught in the strainers, pressure blows out the screen in the strainer, and all the contaminants go through the system, plugging up the Accutrols and check valves. Then you get restricted metering to the coils or improper operation of the check valves, and you have to open the system up again to clean and replace Accutrols, strainers, and check valves. When replacing a header or a coil, blow with nitrogen or use a good system flush to remove all contaminants. Replace all strainers with liquid line dryers. Make sure all check valves are moving freely with a magnet tool. If check valves are not moving freely, replace them. Properly evacuate the system and weigh in the factory charge.
Go to arefco.com for more videos, like, subscribe, and check back every week for new videos.